2000, maybe 10, maybe 11, something like that. I really had this pull to Wall Street. I think we mentioned that I was a member of Wall Street Oasis. I went to the conferences trying to break into the business. I ultimately landed a job at looking back on it now, knowing about the business was totally a chop shop. If you've watched The Boiler Room or if you watched Wolf of Wall Street, I've gotten my seat kicked. I had my hand duct taped to a headset, told that if I wanted to go to a bathroom, I had to disconnect it. We did that. That's how I got licensed. That's how I got my Series 7. Training under kind of senior advisors or financial advisors, opening up accounts for them, and then ultimately being able to open up my own accounts.
Total boiler room, it sounds like. You don't want to share the name of it right now, but
so the name I used, it's all public information because Series 7, anybody can look me up on FINRA. I have no disclosures, so I can disclose that, and I'm happy to prove that. The first firm I worked with was a firm called HFP.